Hello students, how are you? I hope that you all are safe at home. Students, in last class I taught you about types of maps, and today I will teach you about atlas, essential elements of maps, and sketches and plans. Right students? First you will read the chapter, then you will watch my video. Okay students? What is an atlas? What is an atlas? Atlas is a collection of maps. What is atlas? Atlas is a collection of maps, and generally it find in a form of book. Okay, or typically it is a bundle of maps of earth or any region found in the form of book. But today many atlases are there in multimedia format also. Okay students? Now about essential elements of map. Key means what elements should be there in maps. Right students? All maps have common essential elements. They help us read, understand and interpret. These elements are title, direction, scale, legends and grid. Okay students? Our first element is title. What is title? Title of a map or heading of a map is a general or descriptive heading. है ना? Heading is there when we write something outside. Heading is there ना? है ना? That is called title. It tells us what the map is about or refers to everything the map covers. Right? Example is world political, world physical, India political, India physical, like many maps are there, right? Rail routes are there of India, rail routes of Pakistan, like this. This is a title. Our second element is direction, right? How many directions are there? 4 directions are there. North, south, east and west. Right students? How can you understand this? You can see this picture in your book. Right? There is an arrow from upside to downside. Right? Upside, north is there and the letter N is written there. And downside, south is there and letter S is written there. Okay? And here, left side east and right side, right side east and left side west is there. Right? These are direction points. What are these? Direction points. And in between more directions are there, more lines are there, cross is there, right? These are called inter-cardinal directions. What are these? Inter-cardinal directions. In between north and east there is a line and E is written there. This is northeast direction, right? And its opposite SW is written south west direction. And here downside, right side, south east is there and its opposite north west is there. Right students? These are inter-cardinal directions. Right? Our next element is legends or key. What is our next element? Legends or key. What are these? Different features mountains are there, rivers, grass, trees, है ना, roadways, industries, temples, schools, many things are there, है ना, and for those we cannot write their names in detail, है ना, and how these are represented? These are represented on a map by writing their names. It is not possible. So what we do? Thus they are represented during special standard symbols. Symbols are there, you can see, है ना, in yellow patches it is given. Symbols are there, you will learn it also, you will write it also. There is a question also in your exercise, right? So many symbols are there, and these symbols are internationally accepted. Means in each country these symbols only are used, right? So these legends make map easy to understand, right? Our next element is scale. What is scale? What is the use of scale? The scale on a map is used to determine the relationship between the unit of measure on the map and the unit of measure in the real world. Means what unit is written in map and what is in real world, right? Like if the scale of a map is 1 centimeter, if in map is given 1 centimeter, then its real meaning is equal to 4 kilometer. For 4 kilometer 1 centimeter is using. Then the actual distance on the ground will be 5 is equal to 4 is equal to 20 kilometer. Means for 5 centimeter, for 20 kilometer we use the scale of 5 centimeter, right? There are 3 types of scales shown on maps are verbal scale, linear scale and representative fraction. On the basis of scale, maps can be categorized as small scale map and large scale map. What small scale map shows? It represents large area of earth with small detail. Large area showing in small detail, like world map. So big, world is too big, earth is too big, and showing in brief, right? And large scale map, it's opposite, right? What it shows? It shows a small area, the detail of a small area and a big detail, right? Example, a village map, a city map and a district map, etc. Right? Our next element and last element is grid. Right? What is grid? Grid are imaginary boxes of on the earth surface formed by crisscross. Crisscross are there. Of what kind of crisscross? Of the longitudes and latitudes. Right? About longitudes and latitudes also you will read in this book. Okay. Now you listen this only. These grids are important for locate any place. Right? For what these grids are using? These are using for locate any place. Okay. Now about sketch. What is a sketch? Sketch is a drawing. Drawing of a map or from observation only. It is based on memory. Or we can say when it can be rough. Right? A sketch can be used as a rough or a base drawing to prepare a final map. Means before preparation of final map or rough drawing is there and on based of memory and in hurry it is made. Right? This is called a sketch. And now the last point of this lesson is plan. What is plan? A plan is an accurate and detailed diagram. You can see every corner, every space is seen in this building's map is clearly. Or drawing of a place like building, university, park, business center, hospital, etc. Right, students? You will also make a plan of your house in your notebook also. Okay, and you can make more sketches also. You can observe anything and you can make of that sketch. Right? So dear students, this chapter is over and I hope you will study in better way and you will do work also in notebook neat and clean. Stay home, stay safe. Bye.